Let's quickly define what is blockchain. Imagine a big notebook that everyone can see, but no one can change once they've written something in it. That's kind of what blockchain is like. Each page in this notebook is a block that contains some information like transactions or data. Once a page is filled up, it's linked to the previous page, forming a chain of blocks. Now, here's the special part. Because everyone has a copy of this notebook and it's really hard to change anything once it's written, it makes it very secure. So, when you write something in the notebook, like a transaction in a currency, everyone can see it and trust that it's accurate because it's recorded in multiple copies of the notebook. That's why people use blockchain for things like cryptocurrencies, because it's a super secure and transparent way to keep track of transactions without needing a central authority, like bank. Right now, there's a lot of blockchain that is present. You have Ethereum blockchain, Polygon blockchain, Solana blockchain, and many more. Blockchain isn't just for cryptocurrencies. While cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most famous uses of blockchain, the blockchain technology can be used for many other things too. For example, blockchain can be used for supply chain management, tracking products from their origin to the store itself, ensuring transparency and authenticity. Voting systems. Create secure and transparent voting systems that prevent tampering and ensure accuracy. Healthcare. Managing patient records securely and ensuring privacy while allowing authorized access by healthcare providers. We can also use this to real estate, facilitating property transactions by securely recording ownership and transfer of property rights. And last one, we have identity verification, providing secure and verifiable digital identities which can be used for access to services or providing ownership, and many more other use cases.